Welcome guys to today's part of the video. In today's video I will be teaching you how to design 3D logos, a 3D mockup logo. So, and you know what, this particular project is one of the most important projects. You don't need to joke with it. Okay, you can make millions of naira as ordinary logo designer, so you don't need to joke with this part of the video. So what we need to do first is we're actually designing this logo for an auto company. We are designing this logo for Steve Gold Auto Company. Okay, so what the first thing we need to do is move over to free pin. And first, the thing that should come into your mind is, how do I design this logo? You don't know how the logo of auto companies look. So the first thing, the only thing you need to do is go on auto logo. Wow. So let's look for images. If you watch this now, from the top one to the down one, you see there is something that is very common here. There is one particular thing that is very common here, and that thing is that an auto company logo must have a car in it. So that thing is the only thing that is very common to all the designs every other person has done. So I'll just go over to free pin and type car logos, car logo. Let me see what free pin will bring up for me. I'll put it in vector file to avoid making mistakes and downloading PSD file, Photoshop. So I'll just look for a good design. Wow, see this design. So let's not look for more, let's just open this, download it and get going. So we download, so it is downloading already. And that thing that should come to my mind is, the name of this company is Steve Gold Auto. Steve Gold Auto. I think if I should also bring in a gold icon, it will look more better, don't you think? So with that, I'll just come here, type gold icon. Gold icon. So let's look up for gold icon. It's on vector already. Okay, I think I like this. So I'll just pick this. I'll just download these two things. And we download. So while we wait for the gold icon to download, I'll just open up this, the AI file. I will click it and it will open in my Adobe Illustrator. Since our gold icon is still downloading, let's quickly do something on Adobe Illustrator while we wait for it to download. When we need it, we'll go pick it and use it. You know the way we do these things. So the AI is initializing. Okay, it is telling us that the font used in this is not in this system. The font used in designing this logo is not in this system, but I don't want to know. If you like, you can download, but for me, I'll be using the ones in my system. We are using this thing just for the class. So here now is the logo, the different logos. So we'll just pick, we need to design two for this company, send it to the client. While he makes a choice, then we use that one to run the mock-up logo for him. So the regular size for logo design is always 1005 by 1005, but I love using 1005 by 1002. So I'll just come here, Steve Gold Auto. Steve Gold Auto. Okay, 1005 by 1002. The size is already here. I'll click OK. I'll come over here, choose the one I want. So which design am I going to use? Let me start from the top to look for a good design. Okay, let me use this. I'll come here, Ctrl C. Here you Ctrl V to paste. We'll make it large. Click at the edge and drag, or you hold the shift key and drag. So I'll bring it up. If you watch, there is no background here now, so I need to bring in a black background. So what I will need to do is just get this rectangular shape, draw it over this, make it dark. You see, I can't see the logo again, so I'll have to send this shape to the back, arrange backward, and I will ungroup this. If you think I'm too fast, all you need to do is pause the video, play again, and just like that. Very simple. So I love what I'm doing, that editing. I'm very much excited. You need to be here to see how excited I am. So I'll just clean this. The company name is Steve Gold Auto. So I'll just reduce the size. Let me reduce it to 60. Okay, 60 is perfect. 60 is perfect. So I'll just bring it in like this. Then the slogan, I will delete this. The slogan is smooth driving experience. Smooth driving experience. Okay, let me still make this bigger. Let's put it in 65. Let's see what it will look like. Put it in 62. Okay, better, perfect. So I will bring in this, reduce it 24. Okay, we need to bring in our gold icon, and we need to incorporate that gold icon here to see the way it will look. So we'll move over here. This is the gold file. I will open it, click this to have it open in Adobe Illustrator. It will definitely open in another tab. So I will reduce this, put it, I will ungroup this, ungroup, I will ungroup it. If you watch this now, it came with a background, so I will just need to remove the background and regroup it. Then copy it, click on it and copy. Ctrl V to paste. So I will reduce it, reduce it, reduce it, reduce more. I will bring it up here. I'll still reduce it. I'll put it here. It's not too bad there. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. But I'm thinking, what if we should put it in between this gold and auto? Don't you think it will make more sense? Let's give it a try. Bring it down. Let's see what it will look like. Let me zoom it and see. Wow. I think it's still good here. Okay. We'll reduce it. I think the gold image is good there. The gold image is quite good here. So what I will need to do now is I will group it, hold my shift button, click on this, click on this, click on the gold, click on this, click on this, click on this. This and this, then Ctrl G to group. I will make it big. So I will just bring in the second logo. So I selected from this part one and the second one. So okay, let me equally select this, copy it, delete this. No, we don't want it. I will paste, then make it large. Bring it down. Bring it down. So I will make it large. I will ungroup. Okay, it is ungrouped already. So I will just put my Steve Auto here. Steve Gold Auto. I will reduce it to 72. Then bring it up here. Get my then the logo there is smooth driving. Smooth driving experience. Reduce it to 24. Bring it up. Drop it here. Then I will group it. I will bring in my gold image. Where will I drop this gold image? I need to ungroup this again to get that gold image. The gold icon. I will copy, paste, Okay, we've just arrived on the two logos. So I'll just divide this, get a line and divide this into two. And save it.